Hi, this is Robin. Wouldn't it be nice if everything happened at the same time each day and things were nice and rote? That used to be the case for many homeschooling families, but today we're involved in co-ops and outside classes and classes hosted in our homes. And so Homeschool Planet has made it simple to schedule the same class at different times on different days. And today's video is going to show you how to do that. We're going to set up a new class by clicking on the calendar and choosing the option Class. Let's use the subject of history and call this U.S. History, and we're going to assign this today to Matthew. Then we're going to choose when the class will take place, and I like the option of every weekday, but I don't have a single time that's going to work for each day. So I'm going to go down to the option, More Choices. Then I'm going to look for the radial button that says Different Times on Different Days. That will produce a pop-up so that I can put in what time it will be each day. And on Monday, we're going to do class from 9 to 10. On Wednesday, we're going to do class from 9 to 10. And on Friday, we're going to do class from 9 to 10. But on Tuesdays and Thursdays when we have co-op, we're going to have to do math when we get home. So instead, I'm going to change our start time to 2 o'clock p.m. And I'm going to give us an hour again. And then on Thursdays, I'm also going to go in and say 2 o'clock p.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. And I can set that at different increments or what I like. I'm going to also make sure that I've set my starting and end date for when this is going to roll, how I like it. And then when I'm all done, I'm going to hit save. And now when I look at my calendar, I'm going to see that it's scheduled for 9 a.m. on Monday, 2 p.m., 9 a.m., 2 p.m., 9 a.m., and on through each of the weeks. And now I'm going to go in and add my assignments. If, however, my class is already set up and I realize I need to make a change, I can do that easily as well. I'm going to select the title of my class from the calendar and I'm going to choose Edit. Then I'm going to go to this lovely button called Change Schedule, and I'm not adding or removing individual dates. I'm not changing my start date. I'm not changing the class on one particular date, it's time. So I need the everything else or change the schedule in other ways button. And then I'm going to go in and I realize we don't get home until 2:30. So I'm going to change this to 2:30 and it's going to default me to an hour, but of course I can say, actually, we're only going to do math for 45 minutes. And change that there. And once again, I'm going to hit save. And then all my changes will be reflected on the calendar. That's all there is to it. If there's any way we can assist you, please reach out to us at support@homeschoolplanet.com. Thanks so much for using our product and for being an awesome homeschooling family.